you going?
This is JiPOS. It's a Monday morning and festive season. Karibu festive season, right?
Yeah.
Yes, we're closing this year, and today we start closing our year with Asyana Resort.
Asyana Gardens.
Asyana Gardens Resort. And where is this resort? Rongai. Yes. It's a preferred garden for Nairobians in Rongai. What takes us there is JiPOS as we close this year. So we are beginning to close the year today, and today is 20 what? 23rd or 24th?
This 24th.
Yes, 24th.
Yeah. Yo, what's up?
This is Asyana Garden Resort, right?
Yes.
Yeah, and what brings us here still JiPOS. I said earlier, we are closing the year and in style. Yeah?
With Asyana.
With Asyana right behind me, and yeah. So as we close 2025, we are beginning today 2025. That is November 24th. Sasa hizi ni kipindi cha lala salama. So this is my admin account. Don't worry about very many things in the system. Most of these things you'll not be seeing, because you want to narrow it down to one thing. Front desk or front office. And this is about how to handle reservations. To be very, very specific. You want to narrow it down to reservation, customers coming in, checking out, how to do their billing, and every other thing that happens around that. Yeah, that is what we want to narrow it down to. Yeah, so when you log into the system, this is a dashboard. You call it a dashboard. Dashboard normally contains data or information, which you can read, some you can understand, interpret, and just as you can see, it has got a lot of quick links and a lot of figures, numbers, graph, and they're just summaries of what is, in other words, happening in the system in the background, right? What is the average length of stay for guests? Guests who normally comes here, how long do they stay on an average? Is it 1 day, 2 days, 3 days? So the system will just be telling you that, but that is based on historical data, right? Good afternoon. First session done. And where this place? Asyana Gardens. And which boardroom is this? Samburu. What brings us here? JiPOS. Which packages? Accommodation, front desk, inventory management, banqueting. 3 things. That is what you've done. First session done. Second session, inventory. And we'll be out of this place. I told you we are closing the year in style. Asyana Gardens Resort in Rongai. Keep it JiPOS. Happy holidays. So I'm done with the setup, and I'm going to, let me see how that works. Perfect. So just as we've had, I'm Regan. I'm going to take you through this particular session, and this is mainly to do with inventory, how to manage that, and of course an aspect of procurement. Each and everyone will be given access rights and roles to do different activities here and there in the system, and the system can handle unlimited number of roles, so you will not be limited except interacting with the things that you are not supposed to interact with. Yeah, so the system is role based, and that is something that you can confirm. Now, within this interface, you'll be having a username and a password. I'm using mine, which is an admin account, to log in. Good evening, JiPOS family, JiPOS team. So this is Asyana Gardens Resort in Rongai. What brought us early this morning is JiPOS, and we are proud to have onboarded these particular customers. What are they using? Banqueting, front office, that is accommodation, inventory. That is the core. That is what they're using right here. And we are done. Just waiting for some coffee, then we head back to Nairobi.